This one has been on my wish list for some time now. One of my many grail knives to add to my collection. The model number is 1.6703 and it's a Victorinox Explorer red. This knife, it's probably the most complete 4-layer knife from Victorinox. I'll show you in a minute what it looks like. So starting with the opening layer, the cap lifter that locks into a 90-degree position, the wire stripper and the 6mm flat screwdriver at the tip, the can opener with a 3mm flat screwdriver. Moving on to the second layer, we have here a magnifying glass which actually works pretty well. On the other side we have a Phillips screwdriver that also locks in a 90-degree position, which is great, and probably the most useful tool in this position, like it's a Phillips screwdriver in line with the rest of the frame. On the third layer we have the famous scissors from Victorinox, the scissors that are powered by a spring, unlike the Wenger ones that had that lever down here. Pretty useful and efficient scissors. On the fourth layer we have the main blade, and the second blade or the backup blade. Moving on to the back, we have the 4-turn corkscrew. We have the hole for the pin. We have the parcel hook, a tool that I really missed on my Swiss Army knives. It's very useful at carrying, of course, parcels, but also in bushcraft you can tie anything you want to carry with paracord and use the parcel hook to actually lift it up and carry it where you need it. And the last tool on the back side, it's the awl/reamer with a sewing eye. And as the scale tools go, we have of course the toothpick and the tweezers, and we have the keychain ring that according to Victorinox it's also classified as a tool of this knife. I don't know why. But it's here, so if you think you can hang this to your keys, I don't know. I use it for I actually attach a keychain pocket clip here, so I can wear this in my pockets without swinging around and moving too much. Anyway, as I've mentioned at the beginning, I do believe this is the most complete 91mm 4-layer knife, especially if you add the plus scales. Those one come with the supplementary tools, the pen and the pin, and also a mini eyeglass screwdriver that usually sits here in the corkscrew. I'm sure you have seen that before in my videos. I don't have one for this one yet, but I will add it pretty soon. This is probably the maximum size that you can carry comfortably in your pocket. I think the 4-layer is the best size, not too big, not too small, and with the most useful tools that you would actually use every day. So this is Victorinox Explorer Red. That's it about this one. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll hear each other in the next one. Ciao.